Not sure if you need a menstrual cup or a menstrual disc. Let me show you the difference. In Blissmia, we have both in the kit, and it's because you don't have to choose. You can try the menstrual cup, you can try the menstrual disc, and see which one is more comfortable for you and which one is more accurate for, you know, like everyday tasks or your needs or something. So let me show you something. This is a Blissmia, and this time is the small size. The small size is the lighter to normal flow, and the capacity for this one is between 2 to 3 tampons every 12 hours. So we have a new color coming because we love pink. This is the sterilizer case. You guys already know this is a case to storage your product and convenient to put it in your handbag, but you can add water and put it on the microwave for 2 minutes and it's completely ready to use again or to storage. Inside we have our Blissmia menstrual disc and our Blissmia menstrual cup. The menstrual cup, it sits in your vaginal canal just like a tampon, and it creates a seal inside. So once that seal is created inside, it's really easy just to move with your body. You don't have to be worried about any leaks, and when it's time to remove it, you have to make sure you're breaking the seal by doing this and removing it. This is great for beginners, and I feel like my favorite fold for this one, in my case, is the C fold. So you fold it like this, and you make sure you put it in, you insert it just like a tampon. This is great, this is flexible, this is comfortable, and this is leak proof, and I think this is one of the best things like that you can ever try in your period. Then we have the menstrual disc, and the menstrual disc, it sits below your cervix, and it doesn't create any suction or any seal. It just goes there and collect your period. Cool things about this one, it's the first thing, it's placed like higher in your cervix, and it's just sitting there like this, and your period comes in here. So I truly believe that this one collects a little bit more period than the menstrual cups. People who has cramps, they found this menstrual disc very helpful because it eases like a lot the cramps sensation. And one of the unique features about this one is you can have XX mess-free, and people really think that that is an awesome and unique feature about the menstrual disc. And as I mentioned it before, we have everything in one simple kit. And just let me know if you guys which one you guys prefer. Are you guys going to try the menstrual cup? You guys going to try the menstrual disc? Do you have any questions? You're still confused? Let me know in the comments so I can answer your questions. And thank you guys for watching Blissmia, Amazon, and I see you in the next video.